Hey everyone, my name is Caitlin and welcome back to another Wellness Living training video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure the settings for memberships that expire and still have unused rollover sessions. So I'm starting off in Setup. I'll open my Store Configuration tab and then I will select Purchase Options. So you can do this with a new membership that you're just setting up, or you can edit an existing one, which is what I'm going to do today. So I'll select this very first one here in purple. So for this membership, I do not have it set to do anything after expiration, so it's currently set to do nothing. For this to work, you do need to have it set to do nothing, not to set up to auto renew. So what do nothing is going to do is it is going to make the membership expire once all of the visits are used or the time on the membership has run out. We're now going to look at the advanced settings for this membership, so I'll scroll down to the bottom and we'll just open up that little drop down. And we're going to take a look at our membership attendance restrictions. So there we go. So you can see right now this membership has no attendance restriction, but I actually want to apply one. I'll give you a couple different scenarios of how these settings can be used. So starting off is with our attendance restriction. The first thing that I want to do here is I want to enable session rollover. So enabling session rollover allows sessions that haven't been used during the current membership to be used in the next one. However, in this case, since this membership doesn't auto-renew, the system has the ability to save those visits for the client. We can then decide how we want these rollover sessions or saved sessions to be used. In our first scenario, I'm going to select that rollover sessions do not expire. And then below that, I am going to set the membership stays active until all visits are used. With this combination of settings, clients that purchase, say, a membership that includes 10 classes won't lose any remaining ones when their membership expires because the sessions will roll over and they can continue to use that membership until all of those visits are used up. At that point, the membership will then no longer be active. The other scenario here is if you put an expiration date on the rollover sessions in the membership. For example, I will set the rollover sessions expire after number to maybe 1 month. By configuring your settings this way, the membership will expire either when the final rollover session is used or when these rollover sessions expire, whichever one happens first. When you're done, make sure you click Save. And that covers our new settings for rollover sessions and memberships. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.